Hey guys, just got done replacing a brake booster vacuum pump for a 2015 Silverado. There was a good video on this doing it with a lift, and I was able to do it without a lift, so I'll talk a little bit about that. Here's the vacuum line that plugs into it here. Okay, here's the view from underneath. The pulley is right there on the pump. And so it was pretty difficult to get it out of there. Just getting the bolts off was a struggle because of the space that you have, but you can get the pump out of there without taking any extra stuff off. I did jack it up, so I had a little bit of room in here to work, but it was still pretty cramped. Let me give you a view from the top. Okay, also, I did not have to cut this belt or anything. It just stretched over the pulley. When I was putting it back on, I just kind of made sure that I could get it back on while it was still loose. So just a little trick. I didn't need any special tool or anything. Just stretched right back on there, no problem. Okay, here's the pump from the top. I did a combination of both, getting the bolts from the top and the bottom. I broke them loose from the bottom, but I tightened them from the top, so it was just easier. Oh, and one more thing. I did disconnect this steering shaft from the knuckle here so that I could move it around a little bit. But anyway, it was a pretty tough job, but I got it done, and it is possible to do by yourself. So good luck, and thanks for watching.